Hey, I have something really cool to show you about the brain. It's something called the BBB, the brain-blood barrier. Have you ever heard of it? No? Well, let me tell you about it. Alright, are you ready? Come on in and have a seat. Class is in session for the BBB. The brain-blood barrier comes in three different cell types, as you see. Endothelial cells is a basic structure, but there's something basic about its juncture. Forms tight junction deep inside, so nothing seeps in and attack our minds. Then you have the parasites. Let's break the word down and make it light. Got peri for around and cell for sight. It surrounds
endothelial.
Right. Then a little further is the astrocyte. So many functions, but we don't have the time. The BBB so complex inside, but all three together make the
capillaries.
Right. The BBB is something that we need. Protects us from everything we can't see. It's so cool, suited down in armory. The brain-blood barrier keeps us healthy.
The BBB is something that we need. Protects us from everything we can't see. It's so cool, it's suited down in armory. The brain-blood barrier keeps us healthy.
Once upon a time, not long ago, in the 1880s-85 or so, Paul L. Rich was the one to show that the BBB was the star of the show. With methylene blue, it was easy to see that it wasn't permeable to the BBB. As a scientist, he kept on searching on a new pathway that's never been seen. The golden man of the hour, Edward Goldman, did the opposite of what Paul's work had been. Put the blue in the brain is exactly what he did, and the BBB didn't leak once again. With these findings, we are trying to understand the BBB and how it helps man, woman, child, and creatures of the land, because the BBB's on vertebrates, man. The BBB is something that we need. Protects us from everything we can't see. It's so cool, suited down in armory. The brain-blood barrier keeps us healthy.
The BBB is something that we need. Protects us from everything we can't see. It's so cool, it's suited down in armory. The brain-blood barrier keeps us healthy.
Then there's times when things aren't right. With some diseases, it gets compromised. The bad things that can come inside. It's so sad, but we can lose our mind. In this time, it gets a little leaky. CSF, it flows out quickly. With less protection, life gets tricky, so we must try to fix it swiftly. With new therapies and rehabilitation, we can make a step forward to avoid devastation. Scientists, we have to keep it up to save every life one by one. It's gonna take time, so I hope you understand that every day we work to make a new plan to heal everyone that's been suffering. Our hearts go out to everyone who's fighting. The BBB is something that we need. Protects us from everything we can't see. It's so cool, suited down in armory. The brain-blood barrier keeps us healthy.
The BBB is something that we need. Protects us from everything we can't see. It's so cool, it's suited down in armory. The brain-blood barrier keeps us healthy.
Well, that's it for today. I really hope you enjoyed today's lesson about the brain-blood barrier and you learned something new. Come back next time for a new topic. See you later.